Oke guys, kita mau pergi laundry. Di hotel ini ada koin laundry ya. Jadi ini laundryan kita. Kita mau bawa laundryan untuk melaundry. Oke, laundryan kita lumayan berat guys. Mbak. Di sini orang Indo yang cleaning, orang Indo yang jadi cleaning service di hotel resort guys di Jepang, Osaka. Oke, kita mau pergi laundry di lantai 4. Di lantai 4 laundry, machine laundry ya di sini. Laundry di lantai 4.
So we have to get the soap.
Yeah, we need to get a laundry soap at 7-Eleven in the level 4 floor. Okay, go press the 4th floor. It's working without card. Ini laundryan kita guys. Laundryan kita berdua selama seminggu. I said it's our laundry for a week. Which way? Okay, down. I think take this to the laundry, just wait me there and I go get the laundry detergent, or you want to go with me?
But I can make sure it's not blue.
Not blue? Well, there is no option. Ini the convenience store. In convenience store to get a laundry soap. Okay. Okay, just stand here. Just put it on top of it. Okay. Okay, sekarang kita mau beli deterjen di 7-Eleven. Ini di dalam hotel juga, guys. Soap here. Oh guys, so funny. I was looking for detergent here and they don't have it. And you know what? There is already in the laundry machine. They already including detergent in the machine. So you don't need to add anything in the machine because there is a soap already there. You know, it's funny. The soap is already inside the machine, so you don't have to put anything.
Did you ask them?
Yeah, I was looking for the laundry soap and they said, oh, you don't need the soap. There is soap inside the machine already. Like already included. So, ini guys, laundry mesinnya. Well, we got to get an exchange, so we go get exchange money here to use on goods. Let's go check here. How much in here? What is this? Is this the dryer or soap? Look at this. No need soap.
This one washes and dries it.
Oh, wash and dry at the same time? Oh, that's cool. I better use this one. Just use this kind. It's wash and dry at the same time.
So do we need two? Or do we...
Well, we're gonna get two. We got to use this two machine here. Okay. Okay, wait, let me put my laundry. Okay. Wait. Let's see.
Let's open it across this part.
Is someone uses this? Oh, we got to put money in there, right? How do you use it? 700 coin. This is for this month 500 coin. For this month 700. So which way you think? Just use either one. What is this? Is somebody inside? It's locked. Is this in 20 minutes done? Is someone in? What is it? I didn't see any clothes.
I think someone is in there. It says
It's no clothes at all. This one got closed. This one is no close. Oke guys, kita mau pergi ambil laundryannya. Kayaknya sudah selesai. Ini kita mau ambil laundryan. Di laundromat. Laundromat. It's in laundromat. Oke, kita mau ambil laundryan. Oh wait. Oke, di sini Evelyn ambil laundryannya. This is my bag. Oke, di situ Evelyn ambil laundryannya. Nah, laundryan aku di sini tadi udah washing, terus aku dry. Jadi drynya di atas. Yuk kita ambil bareng.
Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feeling quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety. She didn't have to cut me off. Make it like it never happened, and everyone knows it. I don't even need your love. Feeling like a stranger and I feel so rough. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feeling quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety.
Kita sudah laundry guys. Kita sekarang ke kamar. Dapat duduk-duduk sambil nungguin laundryan. Di sini ada convenience store. Namanya 7-Eleven. Itu juga boleh duduk-duduk di situ juga boleh. Nunggu laundryan. Wait, oh ya, di situ bisa duduk-duduk sambil nunggu laundryan. Di sini ada vending machine. Sorry. Sini kita harus taruh dulu, pencet nomornya.
Why it's locked now?